A light unstretchable string passing over a smooth light pulley connects two blocks of masses m1 and m2. If the acceleration of the system is g by 8, then the ratio of the masses m2 by m1 is. The given question is Atwood's mission. First I will explain the formula to calculate the acceleration in case of the Atwood's mission. In given problem, two blocks masses m1 and m2. These two blocks are connected with the help of a string by using a pulley arrangement. Mass of the first block is m1 and mass of the second block is m2. When mass of the second block is greater than the mass of the first block, then this mass is moving in downward direction and first mass is moving in upward direction. Second mass acceleration in downward direction and first one acceleration in upward direction. Weight of this block in downward direction, that is m2g, and tensional force upward direction. Here weight of the first block in downward direction and tensional force in upward direction. So first write the equation for the first block. Tensional force minus weight of the block is equals to resultant force, that is mass into acceleration. Here weight is less than the tensional force, that's why T minus m1g. And here weight is greater than the tensional force, that's why m2g minus T is equals to m2a. From this T is equals to m1g plus m1a. Now substitute tensional force in second equation. m2g minus m1g minus m1a is equals to m2a. Take minus m1a to that side and take a common. m1 plus m2 is equals to, now here take g common, g into m2 minus m1. Acceleration is equals to g into m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2. Remember this formula in case of the Atwood's mission. Acceleration of the system is equals to difference of the weight of the two blocks by sum of the masses. This is the formula. Now given acceleration is g by 8. g by 8 equals to g into m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2. Here we have to find out the ratio of the masses. Here g get cancelled. Take the cross multiplication to calculate the ratio of the masses. m1 plus m2 equals to 8 m2 minus 8 m1. Now minus 8 m1 comes to LHS side. It becomes 9 m1 and plus m2 goes to RHS side. It becomes 7 m2. Here we want ratio of m2 by m1. So m2 by m1 is equals to 9 by 7. 9 is to 7. Third option is correct.